Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, file not found, check the name and try again saving files in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Windows Security. Click Open Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings. Click Manage Controller Folder Access under Controlled Folder Access. Turn off Controlled Folder Access. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.